Think owning an SUV just means gas and go. Add repairs, premiums, and depreciation. The slow leak is real. But here's the twist. Some SUVs barely touch your wallet and just keep rolling. Today's mission: 9 money-smart picks, plus when a warranty helps, and when it's a bonfire for cash. Stay for number 1 and the 2 wallet traps. Buy once, drive calm, sleep easy. Number 9. Subaru Outback Crossover DNA before crossovers were cool. Rugged cladding, standard AWD, family-proof comfort. Longevity? Change fluids, swap pads, keep filters fresh. 200K plus happens quietly. Need passing power? 2.4T brings punch. 2.5L brings simplicity. Why insurers smile. Strong safety pedigree equals gentler premiums. Shopping sweet spot? 2020 era. Modern tech, mature reliability, fair used pricing. Number 8. Toyota RAV4. America's volume champ for a reason. Easy to drive, tough bones, drivetrains that refuse to quit. Old soldiers march on. Well-kept examples touch 300,000 without drama. Money angle. Resale stays stubborn. Rivals can't match the equity effect. Not thrilling? Maybe, but the balance sheet wins. Reliability plus value retention. Think of it this way. A RAV4 is less a purchase and more a parked savings plan. Number 7. Acura RDX, 2013 to 2018. Luxury experience, Honda Heart. 3.5-liter V6 plus 6-speed auto equals smooth, durable, predictable. The hack. While German badges free fall in value, RDX holds ground. Comfort without penalty. Quiet cabin, real features, grown-up road manners. Ownership reality. Routine service gets you deep mileage, without 5-figure surprises. Bonus twist? Depending on provider, premiums can rival non-Lux competitors. Number 6. Hyundai Santa Fe. Reputation reboot, executed. Calm ride, sensible cabin, and a powertrain warranty with teeth. Peace of mind math. Original buyers enjoy long coverage, like a built-in safety net. Used buyer tip. No transfer rules, so you price the deal right. Results on the road? Owners stack miles on oil, brakes, and tires, not on tow trucks. Value story. Solid MPG, rising resale, often cheaper to insure than flashier names. Number 5. Lexus LXA. Luxury lounge on Land Cruiser hardware. Built for far places, lasts for long years. Trade-off? It drinks. But uptime, durability, and resale pay you back. Maintenance mantra. Keep diffs and transfer case on schedule. Then forget what breakdowns feel like. Why used prices stay high. Everyone knows. Buy one, keep it, or sell it dear. Endgame choice. If never strand my family tops the list, this is the answer. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. Not an appliance, a driver's compact. Tidy chassis, precise steering, confidence in every turn. Key mechanical win. Conventional 6-speed automatic instead of a belt-driven CVT. Turbo curious? Ask about updated fixes. Maintained cars repay you with calm ownership. Trade you make. Slightly tighter cabin, notably richer feel. Money side. Strong reliability marks, steady resale, friendly annual upkeep. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The quiet achiever. Big glass for visibility, standard AWD, unflappable ride. About those CVT tales. Updates plus regular fluid service turned noise into footnotes. Owner pattern. Receipts plus 1 owner history equals predictability for years. Insurance effect. Safety plus manners equals premiums that don't spike. Outcome. Miles accumulate, drama doesn't. Number 2. Honda CR-V. Practical without penalty. Roomy, efficient, confident, and endlessly usable. Staying power. Old gens still clock eye-watering mileage with routine care. Safety helps the wallet. Strong crash performance keeps monthly costs polite. Resale reality. Demand stays high. Your exit price does too. Verdict. It's the SUV you forget about, because nothing begs attention. Number 1. Honda HR-V. Small footprint, big dependability. Starts, sips, and just works. Why it wins. Low running costs, clever cargo, and insurance that behaves. Power? Not its headline, but reliability and efficiency are. Ownership arc. Light maintenance, long life, stress-free errands and trips. Resale assist. Brand trust keeps depreciation from stealing sleep. Bonus cautions. 2. Budget traps. Jeep Wrangler as a commuter. Icon off-road. Fun tax on weekdays. Steering quirks, safety concerns, pricier premiums. Reality check. Trail toy? Magic. Daily driver? Know your tolerance and your bills. Ford Explorer. Certain 2000s to 2010s windows. Looks perfect on paper. Some years bring transmission drama and other gremlins. How to avoid pain? Shop by VIN. Poll campaigns, road test in every scenario, demand paperwork proof. Right one versus wrong one. Good examples are truly good. Bad ones eat savings for breakfast. How to shop smarter. Fast playbook. Safety first. Exact year/trim crash results correlate with calmer insurance math. Paper beats promises. Run VINs for recalls, TSBS, and get receipts. Keep it simple when unsure. Conventional autos plus regular fluid service age gracefully. Turbo truth. Reliability lives in maintenance, heat management, and correct fuel, with documentation. Read fluids like a tech. Fresh trans, diff, and brake fluids signal a loved vehicle. By the owner, not just the badge. Great brand plus bad care becomes your problem. Unflashy brand plus immaculate records becomes your edge. Plan your exit. Flip in 4 to 5 years? Pick Demand Kings, RAV4, CRV. Keeping forever? LX amortizes reliability over time. Warranties with wisdom. No deductibles, exclusions, and transfer rules. Don't pay for feelings. Test like you'll live. Hard merge. Firm stop. Tight U-turn. Steep grade. Full throttle pass. Real parallel park. If it struggles on the test, it'll struggle in your week. 10 minutes now saves 10 years later. Bottom line. The smartest SUV isn't the cheapest sticker or flashiest badge. It's the one that avoids shops, calms premiums, and resists depreciation. Pick from the winners. Verify the paper trail, and buy freedom. Miles without warning light jump scares. Your turn. Which one would you trust for 10 to 20 years? Drop your pick and subscribe for more money-saving car playbooks.